Hello viewers, welcome you back to my channel Ficom Academy, and today we're going to learn science, that is chemistry. The topic will be atomic structure, okay? And already I have drawn the shell and all that, so quickly I just want to put it through what we got and why they are there. So the first thing I've drawn here is the orbit, okay? And that is where the electron constantly moves around. Moving further away from that, at the center, we've got two particles there. So one is positive, which is called the proton, okay? And the other, which has got no charge, is called the neutron. So quickly, I'm just going to add more information there. So the neutron there has got no charge, okay? Electron has got -1, that is -1 charge. And the proton is positive, which is also +1, which we use. Right, let's talk about why these two particles are together and also why the electron does not come into contact, because we know that the opposite charges attract. So quickly, these two guys, okay, these two particles here, of course I use guys because they know why they are together, probably they are friends, you know what I mean. So quickly, they've got the same mass, relative mass. So here you can see here where I put it, the mass of proton is 1, mass of neutron is 1, and that's why they collaborate well at the center there. So they're together, okay? So the force holding them together is far more than the force of attraction between the electron and proton, and that is why this force pushes this electron constantly and further away, so it doesn't get into this nucleus. Because should that happen, if electron comes in contact there, that means there's a collapse of that atom. So you can see the nucleus there is the center. So just take note, in the exam you may be asked to describe or explain what happens in the atomic structure. So you should be able to label it accordingly, state their charges, and probably even state the masses, okay? So let's look at a comparing of the masses. So here you can see the proton is 1, that is the mass of 1, and then the electron is this number here. It is really small, so it tells you that the electron has got negligible mass. Now looking at the charges again, neutron neutral, meaning it's got no charge, 0 there. Proton is +1, electron is -1. Now this lesson fits well into electronic configuration when we start putting electrons into the shells. So just a quick recall, what we'll look at today is atomic structure. We see there are 3 main particles found in every atom. So neutron, electron, and proton, okay? These are the 3 main particles. And then we'll look at their charges. So in terms of charge, neutron has got no charge, it is 0. And then proton is +1, electron is -1. Okay, so you should be able to state all this whenever you are asked to, probably in examination. Right, in terms of masses, the relative mass of proton is 1, neutron is 1, and electron is that number. Also, sometimes they can even put 0. That is still fine, because this is almost 0. Look at that. It's that small. Right, hope this helps today, and I'm going to see you in next lesson. Remember to like, share, comment, put any question, any topic you want me to treat next lesson, that'll be fine. However, in my content, I'm looking at bringing electronic configuration after this, okay? Take care. Bye for now.